Hello and welcome to Microfocus demonstration video. In this video, we will introduce the basic considerations that are used for upgrading Access Manager with few examples. For details, you must refer the Access Manager installation guide. After watching this video, you will be all prepped to start an Access Manager upgrade. This video will cover the following topics. We find a need to upgrade to use an updated product and utilize its new features and enhancements. To understand what is new, enhanced, or fixed in a specific release, you must refer the release notes of that release. For example, if you are working on Access Manager 4.3 and want to know about the few enhancements in the 4.4 version, you can check the details of the enhancement and what is added in the latest release. You can upgrade Access Manager using the steps that are mentioned in the upgrade document. You can find the upgrade document from the documentation landing page. But before upgrading, you need to plan for the upgrade and also ensure that you do not miss any important considerations. To refrain from getting into various kind of issues, you must consider the following before upgrading Access Manager. You can take a backup of the existing version so that in case the upgrade fails, you can use the backed up version by restoring the configuration. You do not require to back up the individual devices as the default configuration of all the devices get backed up when primary administration console is backed up. For details, you can refer the backup and restore chapter in the administration guide. Backup the tomcat.conf and server.xml. If you have customized these files, then after the upgrade, you will have to make the same changes to the upgraded files. You do not require to replace the files. For example, if an administrator has modified an attribute value in the tomcat.conf file, then after the upgrade, the value changes as the file is upgraded. Hence, after the upgrade, we need to check the value in the backed up file and enter it manually in the upgraded tomcat.conf file. If you replace the file, then the changes made in the release such as added filters, extra configuration options for Tomcat will not work. Backup the curve.properties file. After the upgrade, copy the customized details in the upgraded file. Similarly, backup the nidpconfig.properties file. The upgrade process overwrites all customized JSP files. If you have customized JSP files for the identity server or the access gateway, you must perform manual steps to use the same customized JSP files. The steps are mentioned in the upgrade guide. For detailed information, you can refer the Access Manager install and upgrade guide. To know the issues found in a specific release, you can refer the known issues section in the release notes. Let us understand the upgrade considerations using an example. An administrator is using 4.3 setup where there is a primary administration console, a secondary administration console, 3 nodes of identity server that uses a load balancer, and 3 nodes of access gateway that also uses load balancer. The administrator wants to upgrade this setup to Access Manager 4.4. The administrator must know the upgrade path, which can be found in the Access Manager 4.4 release notes. launch the Access Manager 4.4 release notes, click on Supported Upgrade Path. Here, the upgrade path does not list 4.3, but it lists 4.3.2. We can launch the Access Manager 4.3.2 release notes, as 4.3 is listed as the supported upgrade path. The upgrade path will be 4.3 to 4.3.2 to 4.4, which means the administrator has to first upgrade to 4.3.2 and then to 4.4. For starting an upgrade, we must also understand the order of the upgrade. In this example, the administrator will first back up the primary administration console so that in case the upgrade fails, the administrator can restore the Access Manager configuration. After taking the backup, the administrator will upgrade the primary administration console using the instructions mentioned in Upgrade Guide. And while the primary administration console is upgraded, the already active session will work as expected, and the newer sessions will not be established till the primary administration console is up and running. After upgrading primary administration console, you can check the logs to verify if the upgrade is successful. After upgrading primary administration console, the administrator must upgrade the secondary administration console. Then, the next is Identity Server. As there are 3 nodes of Identity Server that uses a load balancer, the administrator has to stop the cluster services on one node while the other nodes will function normally using a load balancer. After upgrading the node, the administrator can start the services on that node, then stop cluster service on other node. The administrator can repeat this till all the nodes are upgraded. The next server to be upgraded is Access Gateway. Here there are 3 nodes of Access Gateway, which also uses a load balancer. The administrator has to stop cluster services on one node first. After upgrading that node, administrator can start the cluster services on that node and continue with stopping the services of other nodes, upgrading them, then starting the cluster services on those. To summarize, we first upgrade the primary administration console, then secondary administration console, all the nodes of Identity Server, all nodes of Access Gateway. For upgrade instructions, refer the Install and Upgrade Guide. To verify if the upgrade was successful, you can check the logs. In case the upgrade fails, you can check the details in the log file. Also, you can check the health of the server from the administration console. Now, if the administrator is using Access Manager 4.3 on an RHEL 6.8 platform and the administrator requires to upgrade the platform with Access Manager 4.4. In this case, we must check the supported operating system. To check the supported operating system, refer the Hardware Requirements section in the Install and Upgrade Guide. When we click on Hardware Requirements, we can see the installation requirements on Linux. The list includes RHEL 6.9, 7.3 and 7.4. Therefore, the administrator can choose to upgrade to the required RHEL version considering the RHEL upgrade prerequisite. Thank you for watching the video.